Presenting the IQOO Z3 5G smartphone. The phone is available in two colors, Cyber Blue and Ace Black. The phone is available in three options: 6GB RAM plus 128GB, 8GB RAM plus 128GB, 8GB RAM plus 256GB. These phones come with dual SIM option. The phone is equipped with 120Hz screen refresh rate. It is equipped with 64-megapixel main camera. It features 4K videos at 60 frames per second and EFB autofocus tracking. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 768G 5G mobile platform. It uses FunTouch OS 11.1 based on Android 11 operating system. It is equipped with 4400 mAh battery. The box includes handset, phone protective cover applied, SIM ejector, quick start guide and warranty card, travel adapter, Type-C USB cable, protective case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.